Hello! This is Carrie Livingood, and thank you for taking a moment to learn about the different Office 365 applications and how you can integrate them with your daily workflow. In this video, we will share with you the basics for accessing your Outlook calendar and how to share your calendar and access other calendars. To start, open your Outlook app on your desktop. This will automatically direct you to your email inbox. In the bottom left-hand corner of your window, you should see 4 icons: an envelope, a calendar, 2 silhouettes, and 3 dots. These correspond to your email, your calendar, your contacts, and miscellaneous windows. Click on the calendar icon and this will redirect you to your Outlook calendar. Once open, you will see your calendar in day, work week, month, or schedule view. You can change these views on the toolbar at the top of the window. From this toolbar, you can also create new appointments and meetings. By clicking on either the New Appointment or the New Meeting button, you will be redirected to a window that will prompt you to enter in a title, select a time and date, invite attendees, and add notes. You can also create meetings and appointments by double-clicking directly from your calendar. Click on the desired time on your calendar, and this will highlight a 30-minute slot. Double-click and it will open a new window for you to enter in a title, notes, invite attendees, and you can also edit the time if needed. Play around with these tools and options to best organize your calendar. If you find that you need to share your calendar with your coworkers, you can easily give them permission to view your calendar from Outlook. Click on the Share button on the toolbar. If you have multiple email addresses signed in to your Outlook app, you can choose from among them in this drop-down menu. Select your desired email address and a new window will populate called Calendar Properties. You will see a box with contacts who you are currently sharing your calendar with. Below this box is the Add button. Click on this and your contacts will appear. Search for your desired internal contact or group and click the Add button. Then click OK. This contact will populate in the box, and from here, you can edit their permissions to your calendar on the bullet list below. You can have these contacts either view when you're busy, view titles and location, view all details, edit, or delegate your calendar. Carefully choose from among these to protect your privacy and your calendar. Once done, click the Apply, then the OK button. Congratulations! You have just shared your calendar. The contact you have added will need to restart their Outlook application in order to add your calendar, but once this is done, they will be able to see your calendar by selecting it among the list of calendars in their bottom left-hand corner. In addition to sharing your calendar, you can also add calendars to your view. Do this by selecting the Add button on the toolbar. This will open a drop-down for you to choose between a calendar from your address book, room list, or the internet. You can also create a new blank calendar or open a shared calendar. In this example, we will be adding a calendar of a contact who is not actively sharing their calendar with us. Click Add, then select from your address book. Search for your desired contact, click the Calendar button, then click OK. This will add a view of this contact's calendar to your list in the bottom left-hand corner. Once it is done loading, your contact schedule will appear in the calendar. Notice that since this contact is not actively sharing their calendar with you, you are not able to see the titles of their appointments, but you can see when these contacts are busy. Use this to gauge when your coworkers are in the office and when you may be able to schedule meetings with them. Thank you for taking the time to learn how you can use calendars in Outlook. In future videos, we will be diving deeper into how to create meetings, appointments, accessing calendar permissions, and more. If you have any questions or you are running through these steps and it is not working for you, feel free to reach out to us and we will be happy to help.